A very good morning to you children. I hope everyone are safe and fine at home. In the last video session we have seen about two concepts, that was synonyms and high frequency words. Synonyms as in similar words, okay? Then high frequency words are sight words. Okay children, so in today's video session we are going to learn about blends. In last year or previous class you already have learned about that what are blends. Blends are nothing but mixing. The word itself here, it shows that blend here means mixing of two consonant alphabets to make one sound. Okay, it is mixing or blending or adding, okay, mixing together of two consonant alphabets, okay, to make one consonant blend sound. Okay, last year we have seen about PL, okay, then we have seen about SL, okay, we have seen about CR, we have seen about GR, okay, then we have seen about CH, then we have seen about TH, okay, then SH as well, okay, and etc. There are many more blends as well children, okay. These are all consonant blends. Why these are called consonant blends? Because these all alphabets which we have written here, these all are consonant alphabets. They don't include any vowel in that, okay. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. There are 5 vowels and the remaining others are all consonant sounds, okay, consonant alphabets, okay. So these all are called basically consonant blends, okay. So these are 2-letter blends. For example, you can take T plus H. This makes, okay, after blending or mixing this both the alphabets, consonant alphabets, we can see here that it makes a sound called th, okay, th, T-H-U-M-B, thumb, okay, T-H-U-M-B, thumb, T-H-I-R-D, third, okay. This is giving a sound of th, that is thumb, third, okay. For example, thief, okay. This was with TH. Now when we go with CH, ch, C plus H gives us the sound of ch, okay. And for the words we can take as an example of chicken, okay, chicks, C-H-E-E-K-S, chicks, chin, okay, C-H-I-N, chin. Alright, so these are basically, or you have learned this already, you have learned this alphabets or these blends, okay, in the last year. These are the same alphabets, okay, which you have learned last year, okay. So these were 2-letter blends. This year in grade 2 we are going to learn about 3-letter blends which starts with letter S. Okay, we are going to learn 3-letter blends which is going to start with letter S. So here children, in the previous session also we have seen about SL, yes or no, SH, okay. We are only going to add a third alphabet, okay, or a third consonant to that sound, okay children. We are going to add only third alphabet to that sound. For example, let us see first one, SP, okay. Here we go with SP. But now this is 2-letter blend, yes or no? And now we are going to learn 3-letter blends. Here what we are going to add here, R, okay. This will sound as spr, okay, spr. And the word which we can obtain or form is S-P-R-A-Y, spray, What is it? Spray. Okay. Then the next one you can take S-P-R. Spr. Then if we add I-N-K-L-E. Sprinkle. Okay. Spray. Okay. You have deodorants and all, you spray that. Okay. Then sprinkle. Spr. You can understand when we take two letter, it will give sound spur. Spur. Okay, if we take two letter, it will give the sound of spur. But when we add R to this two letter and we make it three letter blend, it gives a combined sound of spr. Okay, spr. For example, S-P-R. Spr. A-Y. A. That means it comes as spray. Okay. Then S-P-R. Spr. If we take I-N-K-L-E, it makes as sprinkle. Okay. So this was about S-P-R. Okay. Now let us see about the next three letter blend, which is S-T-R. Okay. Now this one also comes as two letter. Okay, two letter. If you want to take an example of ST, you can take it as S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T, straight. Okay, this comes with ST. But here again, if we add one more consonant blend or one more consonant alphabet to this, okay, all the sound of this blend changes to S-T-R, stir. S-T-R, stir. If I add here double E-T, it gives street. What it gives? Street. Okay, then if I ask S-T-R, straw. If I give here E-A-M, sorry, if I give here E-A-M, here it gives stream. First the sound is stir, stir. Okay, if I add here double E-T, stir, eat. That means street. Okay, then the second one S-T-R-E-A-M. Okay, here it is street, aim. That means it gives a combined sound of one word. It gives as stream. Okay, children. So we have already seen this. For example, if you want one more example of SPR, you can take sprint. Okay, you can take sprint as an example. If you want an example of STR, you can take STRAY. Like there are stray dogs. Okay, these are 2 to 3 examples about SPR and STR. So children, in today's session we have seen a recap of last year's blends, 2-letter blends, and we have also introduced two new concepts of 3-letter blends, that is SPR and STR. By joining R to this 2-letter blends, we can change whole sound of the blend. Okay, in the next video session we are going to talk about the worksheet which is present in your workbook. Okay children, thank you everyone. Take care, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Goodbye.